Hey guys, so I bought myself a new truck. You guys look, it's what I've been looking for. Um, but it's kind of rough. It's seen better days. So as you can see, it is a 2020 Peterbilt 579. It's a truck I've been kind of almost dreaming about having, owning. Um, Obviously, I wanted one a little better shape, but it wouldn't be fun if you didn't buy one like this, huh? So this is a 2020 579 with a pack car engine, kind of what I've been looking for. And it is wrecked. I got it on the auction. As you can see, it's got a little extensive damage to the front. I think the guy hit something with the side, because as you can see, the hood right there on the side is messed up and then just goes down the whole side. Front axle is, let's see, I thought it might be like my last truck where I can maybe save it, but it is like creased right there. So definitely need a new one of those. Pretty much need a whole new front suspension, except for, you know, those things. I'll save the hubs, hopefully. And then need a fuel tank. Well, obviously we're missing a big chunk right here. That is called the after treatment system, which is probably going to cost me the most. That is sitting right here. This is completely, well, almost completely shot, sadly, but it is what it is. Then we keep moving. Like I said, fuel tank. Then we come over to this. I really want to save this APU unit because it looks kind of new, but I guess we'll have to see. Tried spinning it, but this whole support thing is bent, so I kind of probably gonna have to take it out of it and see what the deal is there. Hopefully I can still get it to work. Just change the supports and put it in a new casing, new housing, and get it working. Then we move back here. So as you can see, hit something with the wheel there, and this thing is the same. Wheel is damaged right there as well. And this is, I believe, this is one of the front wheels. So as it sits right now, you can almost kind of see that the rear housing might be a little bent, which I really don't want it to be, but if it is, we'll get that replaced or straightened, whatever needs to be done. Yeah, it's something I've been really wanting. I've been looking for trucks. I've been trying to purchase a truck for like maybe almost 6 months, and just right now people have been bidding crazy prices for wrecked trucks. People have been bidding almost like new. This side looks a little bit more together. It's got the fairings on. It almost looks even nice, but either way, we're gonna get it done. So like I said, we're gonna start out with the front axle. I'm gonna get all the parts ordered for that. This pitman arm. Need a front bumper. As you can see, we have little stuff like that. I'll show you the other side. So we have the fan touching that. Then we have the engine shifted just a little bit, just enough to do that. We're just gonna, a lot of extra work for me, but it is what it is. So the engine is laying a little bit, as you can see. See, that's touching almost the frame rail. So the engine bounced pretty good. So thankfully, I think it just came out of the motor mounts. I don't think it broke the rear housing, because the rear housing is very annoying to replace. I won't be able to see in there, but right there, this thing right here just came out of there. So I'm just gonna get new motor mounts, and hopefully that's gonna be my issue. I really don't want to replace the rear housing, but you know, it's gonna be a lot of small stuff like that, pipes and more pipes and wiring. looks kind of like a truck, but we're gonna make this truck look like new again. And I sure hope that's the case. But yeah, like I said, 2020 Peterbilt 579. I did check the miles. It seems like it's about 180,000 miles, which isn't bad. Hopefully the truck was taken care of. Oil was changed on time. Still has oil in there. Leaked out coolant from the depth, from the after treatment box. You don't got something like that. You know, that's why the truck is all crooked. You know, so I gotta replace this frame horn right behind the gearbox. So, gotta get a new one of those. And then like small stuff, bumper. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the leaf springs. I'll probably replace the right side leaf spring for sure. I don't know about this one. This side looks like a truck. It's automatic. I have the DPF right there, but it is pretty much useless right there. I have a little navigation. Got a useless headlight. And then just a sleeper. Anyway guys, I'm gonna try to make this rebuild as exciting and as informative as possible. Please do let me know what I could do to make that happen. Obviously, it's always kind of hard to record every single part of the rebuild because you know you're trying to get it done in a decent amount of time. You're trying to get out of here, trying to get home at the end of the day. Then you're also trying to get done, like I said. But I will try to do my best to document as much of this rebuild as I can. Yeah, truck looks scary, but once I'll take the wheels off, I'm gonna have to buy more jack stands. I'll put on jack stands, get more, take the wheels off so I can see the rear housings, and I'll get to replace the rear motor mounts, and then that'll start kind of shaping the truck up, and then put the front wheels on, and we'll be going from there. Anyway guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna start ordering parts, start trying to get here, start telling customers I'm busy, and try to get to work. Anyway guys, stay tuned for this exciting rebuild.